So, my friends, from reckless drivers causing disastrous accidents to ignoring traffic signs or chaotic crashes, due to out-of-control trucks are all in today's video. Join us as we explore real-life traffic accidents and learn the best ways to stay safe while driving. Buckle up and let's get started. Man converts gas pump into ultimate weapon, scares away robbers. Does he need a cape to be a hero at the gas station? Oh my God! The black hole showed up suddenly and without warning.
Ебать.
Boy, this driver's car suddenly stalled in the center of the road. He tried to signal to the cars behind, but this nearly pushed him into another crash. Luckily, everyone was... Want to leave the gas station in style? This is a perfect example, but definitely don't attempt this at home.
What are you doing?
The girl abruptly halted in the center of the road while driving, and what occurred. Always take this as a memorable lesson. An emergency landing on a crowded road is frightening enough, but landing close to a gas station surely adds drama.
Now's the time. Hey! Get back in the car! Grow up! Everybody's a winner!
Мой друг Миша приехал покупать себе новую машину, и мы приехали его поздравить. Ебать!
Yeah, we often say the first car is for learning, but Mel chose to turn his first car into a glass shattering.
They're gonna hit people. They didn't hit that person, did they? No.
Oh, he ran away. I think they must be stealing the car.
Maybe.
Is somebody hit?
I think everybody's
The fire raged like a wild beast, but the driver, like a fearless warrior, leapt into the cabin and steered the truck away from the crowd. The cargo was lost, but lives were saved. It was truly a heroic struggle. He was quite polite, but the driver appeared uncooperative. It seemed the apology was so intense that it made the motorbike lose its balance. Never obstruct the path of massive beasts on the road if you wish to have a safe journey. In only a few seconds, the man on the roadside suddenly became the lead in the action film Escape Mastery without attending the audition. Yes, someone should nominate him for the Luckiest Hiker of the Year award. When you're so busy that you lack time to see what you drop, including your tires. On June 3rd, 2023, a gray Dodge Challenger led Georgia law enforcement on a high-speed chase reaching 138 mph, recklessly weaving through traffic, running red lights, and endangering numerous drivers. The pursuit spanned several major roads, with the driver even switching off his headlights to avoid capture. The chase finally ended safely when officers performed AIT, stopping the vehicle and averting a possible tragedy.
Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the ground right now, on your face!
All right. Okay, my leg.
Shut up, bitch. I got you. Yep. Fucking almost killing everybody out here.
police officer and female driver noticed they were in the wrong lane, this was the smartest and most effective right-of-way tactic I've ever witnessed. This tow truck driver drove for 15 hours. Maybe he dozed off and committed a crime, not only losing his job, but also facing manslaughter charges and losing his family and friends for not obeying traffic laws.
Which means that Saluda County would be seeking the death penalty. On September 4th, 1985, the same of electric
Oh my God! Oh my God!
Again, prosecutors
Oh my
seek the
God!
death penalty.
Oh my
In
God!
this
A motorcyclist struck a car on Highway 14 in Santa Clarita, causing a chain reaction crash that left one person hurt, and he managed to escape quickly. Oh my God! The man was fortunate to escape from an out-of-control car thanks to the vehicles parked along the side of the road. I would call this the most cinematic scene of 2024.
Отключено внешнее питание.
The car went out of control and slammed into a highway stop. Luckily, no one was hurt, but the vehicle was badly damaged. What could be more hazardous than a gas tanker suddenly catching fire right at the gas station? This guard dog assumed I had to climb up here to get a better view, but the window was too slick. He was cycling like a pro, but it turned into an accidental stunt simply because he was too busy yielding to the car behind him. Why are you late for work today? A perfectly valid reason. A flock of ducks blocked your way just another day in city life. A brand new greeting from the friendly neighbors.